Today, we're diving into the 25 best-selling Amazon home and kitchen gadgets of the month. Smart tools that upgrade your space, boost your routine, and make every moment at home feel smoother and more intentional. Before we jump in, hit subscribe, tap the like button, and share your thoughts in the comments. Every product featured in this countdown has its link waiting for you down in the description, so get ready. Your next favorite upgrade might be in this list. The moment you pick up the Dyson V8 Plus, you feel the difference. Light movement, steady power, and a sense of control that makes every sweep more intentional. It glides through rooms, lifting debris from carpets and hard floors while keeping hair from wrapping around the brush, leaving surfaces looking noticeably clearer. As you switch between attachments, the experience expands. High corners, tight gaps, upholstery, even car interiors. Each one becomes effortless to reach. The handheld mode adds surprising freedom, and the filtration system refreshes the air as you move, creating a cleaner atmosphere throughout your home. Some of the month's strongest sales, over 40,000 units, came from people choosing this exact model, and it's easy to understand the pull once you feel its rhythm. 2 performance settings adapt to your pace, giving you either extended runtime or concentrated strength. Right now, it comes at $399, a polished upgrade that elevates the flow of your space from the very first use. These Bedsure satin pillowcases feel cool, sleek, and luxuriously smooth, helping hair stay tangle-free and skin look refreshed by morning. Over 20,000 sets found a new bed this month, a wave of trust that speaks for itself. Slide them over your best pillows, and the whole room gains a softer, calmer mood. Now this elegant 2-pack can be yours for only $5.98. The Fullstar Pro Chopper brings a sharp, rhythmic ease to meal prep, turning vegetables and fruits into clean, uniform cuts in seconds. Its blades stay precise, its container keeps everything tidy, and its design feels balanced in the hand. Demand surged this month, with more than 50,000 cooks choosing this exact model for faster, smoother routines at home. Whether you're building salads, prepping sides, or powering through weekly batches, each slice lands with satisfying consistency. Cleanup slips into place with a quick rinse or a turn in the dishwasher, giving your counter a break too. And today, this versatile 4-in-1 upgrade arrives at $24.99, a simple shift that elevates every dish you touch. Meals gain a smoother flow with the Ninja 4-in-1 Pro Air Fryer, a compact powerhouse that turns everyday ingredients into crisp, golden bites with remarkable speed. Its 5-quart capacity handles wings, fries, veggies, and more, while maintaining a clean, even finish. Interest climbed sharply this month, with over 40,000 shoppers choosing this model for faster, lighter cooking. Easy cleanup completes the appeal, and it's currently offered at $79.99. There's a certain confidence that comes from working with knives that feel balanced, sharp, and ready for anything. And the Astercook set brings that feeling to every cut. Each piece has a smooth, protective coating that resists rust while keeping the blade gliding cleanly through vegetables, bread, fruit, and protein. The assortment covers every task, giving you the right shape and weight for slicing, trimming, carving, or creating finer details when preparing meals at home. What's striking is how many cooks reached for this set recently. More than 60,000 people added it to their kitchens this month, drawn to its reliability and calm, steady performance. The guards make storage simple, whether you keep them in a drawer, take them on the road, or organize them in a compact space. Every handle sits comfortably in the hand, helping each motion land with purpose. It's a collection that supports daily routines and festive moments with equal ease, and today it's available for $17.98, a smooth upgrade that enhances the rhythm of cooking from the first slice. A favorite moment deserves a frame that gives it presence, and this Upsimples design delivers a clean, modern touch that complements any room. Its solid build keeps each photo steady, while the clear front brings sharp detail to every memory. More than 20,000 buyers reached for it this month to refresh their walls with something simple and refined. It mounts in seconds, and today it sits at $6.79. There's a certain relief that comes from knowing tough stains don't stand a chance, and the Bissell Little Green delivers that confidence with every pass. Its focused spray, firm scrubbing power, and strong suction work together to revive carpets, upholstery, and car interiors with surprising ease. The large tank keeps the momentum steady, letting you clean more without constant refills. Interest soared this month, with over 70,000 buyers choosing it for fast, reliable results that refresh any space. Each purchase even helps support pet rescue efforts. And today, this compact deep cleaning unit comes in at $84.99. Every sweep feels more controlled with the Shark-Pet cordless vacuum, built to handle daily debris on floors and carpets with steady, concentrated power. Its low profile moves under furniture with ease, while the handheld mode tackles pet hair and tight corners without slowing down. This month, more than 40,000 shoppers chose it for quicker, brighter cleaning sessions supported by LED guidance. And today, it comes in at $148. Stepping onto this Olanly Chenille rug feels like sinking into warm, cushioned softness that instantly lifts the mood of your space. Its dense fibers drink up moisture quickly, protecting the floor while keeping your feet dry and comfortable. This month, more than 70,000 homes added it to their routine, drawn to its plush feel and fast upkeep. With steady traction and easy washing, it brings lasting comfort, all for $8.99. A calmer atmosphere starts with steady, refreshing moisture, and the Levoit Top Fill Humidifier brings that comfort with remarkable ease. Its spacious tank delivers hours of cool mist that helps ease dryness, soothe congestion, and create a softer environment for sleep, work, or quiet mornings at home. The wide opening makes refilling effortless, and cleaning becomes a quick, simple task with no hidden corners to reach. What really highlights its impact is how many people embraced it recently. Well over 100,000 buyers brought this model into their bedrooms and nurseries this month, drawn to its gentle volume and whisper-low noise. The rotating nozzle lets you guide the mist exactly where you want it, adding a tailored touch to the experience. Reliable, calm, and thoughtfully built, it's a small shift that enhances the air throughout your space. And today, this soothing upgrade is available for $27.98. Small kitchens gain surprising range with the Magic Bullet, a compact blender that turns quick ideas into smooth, vibrant results in seconds. Its focused power handles chopping, whipping, grinding, and blending with a consistency that keeps everyday prep moving without slowing your pace. Cups click easily into place, the blades create an even pull, and the compact size keeps everything within reach on the busiest mornings. Its popularity surged again this month, with more than 30,000 shoppers bringing it home to simplify breakfasts, snacks, and late-night cravings. From creamy smoothies to fresh sauces, dips, or omelet mixes, each cup delivers a clean finish that feels effortless. The included lids and guide add even more flexibility, helping you move from prep to storage or travel without breaking rhythm. Reliable, compact, and surprisingly capable, this set opens the door to faster meals at a moment's notice. Now offered at $25.49. This McCook set brings smooth, controlled cutting to every meal thanks to its built-in sharpener that keeps each blade ready on demand. The balance and weight feel steady, making prep far more precise. Over 10,000 buyers picked it up this month for its clean performance and easy storage. Today, it's offered at $57.99. Small but powerful, the Alpha Griller's thermometer sharpens your timing with fast, precise readings that keep every cut juicy and every dish on point. Its bright screen stays clear in any setting, and the water-resistant build handles constant use. More than 100,000 cooks trusted it this month. It now stands at $9.99. Keeping meals fresh feels easier with Rubbermaid Brilliance, a set built for clarity, strength, and total confidence on the go. Each container locks with a tight, leak-proof seal, keeping soups, salads, and leftovers secure, while the crystal-clear walls make everything easy to spot in a crowded fridge. Their vents allow smooth microwave heating, and the stackable shape keeps shelves neat without wasting space. Demand rose sharply this month, with over 30,000 shoppers choosing this set for clean storage that fits busy routines. Durable, lightweight, and ready for daily use, it brings order to every kitchen. Today, the full 5-container set sits at $27.99. The Stanley Quencher H2.0 brings steady hydration wherever the day moves, keeping drinks cold or hot for hours with its insulated build and sleek, travel-ready base. The rotating lid adapts to sipping or straw use, and the handle makes carrying effortless. Its appeal showed clearly this month, with over 40,000 people choosing this model for daily routines. It now sits at $27. A calm, cozy mood settles in the moment this Bedsure GentleSoft throw lands on your sofa or shoulders. The fleece texture brings warmth without heaviness, making movie nights, study breaks, and slow mornings feel a little more inviting. Its charm clearly resonated this month, with over 60,000 people choosing it to soften beds, couches, and dorm rooms. Easy to wash, simple to style, and ready to gift, it's currently available for $11.72. The soft off-white shade suits boho or modern decor, wrapping your favorite corner of the home in warm, gentle softness. Morning drinks take on a smoother, brighter character with the Zulay Kitchen Milk Frother, a compact tool that transforms ordinary mugs into cafe-style moments in seconds. Its quick spin builds thick, velvety foam for lattes, cappuccinos, matcha, or hot chocolate, giving every sip a richer, more satisfying finish. Cleanup feels just as simple. Run the whisk under warm water, turn it on briefly, and it's ready for the next cup. The metal stand keeps it within reach, adding a neat touch to your counter. Interest rose sharply this month, with over 40,000 shoppers choosing it to elevate their daily rituals. Lightweight, battery-powered, and easy to store, it brings a polished upgrade to any routine. Today, it's priced at $9.99. There's a certain ease that comes from knowing your first cup will be strong, hot, and ready without slowing down your morning. And the Keurig K-Express brings that rhythm to life with a clean, efficient design. 3 brew sizes let you match the moment, whether you want a quick 8-ounce boost or a fuller pour to start the day. The bold setting intensifies the flavor when you want deeper notes, creating a richer profile without extra steps. Its 42-ounce reservoir keeps multiple rounds flowing before refilling, and the removable tray makes room for taller travel mugs when you're heading out the door. Shoppers clearly felt the appeal this month. Over 80,000 people chose this model for its steady performance and reliable speed. The machine's auto-off feature steps in after each session, trimming energy use with quiet precision. Compact, practical, and pleasantly consistent, it settles into any kitchen with ease. Today, this brewer is available for $59.99. Daily routines feel smoother with the Echo Show 5, a compact display that brings clarity and sound together in a way that fits any room. Glance at weather, headlines, or timers, stream music with richer bass, or follow recipes hands-free while Alexa handles the background tasks. The built-in camera lets you check in on pets or family from anywhere, adding a quiet layer of reassurance throughout the day. Its popularity stood out this month, with over 10,000 shoppers choosing it for sharper audio, easy video calling, and thoughtful home control. When it's not in use, it turns into a personal photo display that adds warmth to shelves and nightstands. With privacy controls built directly into the hardware, it stays secure while remaining helpful. Today, this smart upgrade sits at $54.99. Sleep feels calmer with the Bedlore waterproof protector, adding a soft, quiet layer that shields your mattress from spills, sweat, and daily wear. Its deep pocket design stays firmly in place through every turn, and the breathable surface keeps the bed comfortable through the night. More than 30,000 shoppers chose it this month for steady protection that blends easily into any room. Today, it's priced at $23.98. The Echo Spot brings a brighter start to your day with clear sound, a crisp display, and quick access to alarms, weather, and music. Customize the clock face, control lights, or let routines ease you awake with gentle audio and soft light. Its appeal was clear this month, with over 10,000 people choosing it for nightstands and desks. A compact upgrade for daily flow, now at $49.99. Heating water feels quicker and cleaner with the Cosori electric kettle, built with a glass spout and steel filter so boiling never touches plastic. Its wide lid makes rinsing simple, and the auto shutoff adds calm to busy moments. The blue glow gives a modern touch as it reaches a fast boil for tea, coffee, or quick meals. This month, more than 40,000 shoppers chose it for speed and clarity in daily routines. Today, it's available for $21.99. Busy days feel a little easier when your meal stays warm and ready, and the Crock-Pot electric lunchbox handles that promise with calm, steady heat. Its 20-ounce container fits personal portions perfectly, keeping soups, pasta, or leftovers sealed and spill-free while you're on the move. The soft-touch exterior adds a modern feel, and the detachable cord makes packing up simple when you're done. Its popularity stood out this month, with over 20,000 people choosing it for commutes, office breaks, and travel days where reliable warmth matters. The dishwasher-safe insert keeps cleanup quick, so the routine stays smooth from start to finish. Today, this portable warmer sits at $29.99. Cold rooms become inviting again when the Dreo space heater starts spreading its fast, even warmth. Its advanced PTC system pushes comfortable heat across the room within seconds, reaching farther than traditional models while staying compact enough for any corner. The digital controls make fine-tuning effortless, letting you dial in the exact temperature you want with quiet, steady performance that never disrupts work or rest. Safety features run deep, from tip-over detection to flame-retardant materials, bringing calm to every use. The remote, timer, and multiple modes let you shape the heat to your routine, whether you need a quick boost or hours of gentle comfort. Shoppers clearly felt the appeal this month, with more than 80,000 choosing this model to warm offices, bedrooms, and living spaces with confidence. Reliable and thoughtfully designed, it adds comfort without complication. Today, it's offered at $33.99. Warmth settles in quickly with the Bedsure heated throw, wrapping you in soft flannel and Sherpa, while its settings let you choose the exact comfort you want. It stays gentle, safe, and consistent, making quiet evenings and cold mornings feel far more relaxed. This month, more than 30,000 shoppers picked it up for dependable heat and year-round softness. Easy to care for and inviting even when unplugged, it's available now for $39.99.